everybody, it's me, Booger Boy Monster here. I'm in this really nice car, and I'm with my friend, Play GTA 4, with 3 exits in the front and 3 exits in the back. Here he is right there.
Hey, how's everybody
doing today?
Well, I'm here in Georgia today at this place. I'm not going to say where it is because
we're not going to say the name
for copyright issues.
Copyright
and all that. But it's where one-legged waitresses work. We'll just say that much.
Yep, we'll say that.
And I'm here visiting Booger Boy Master, and we've been having a pretty good time for about the last 2.5 hours.
He got the same shirt as me, too.
I got the same shirt as you.
That Mario shirt.
You remember what video that was in?
I think it was in that Gears of War nerd video. I know a lot of people say, what the hell you doing wearing the Mario shirt in the Gears of War nerd video? Well, I did. Well, I thought that was pretty funny.
Yeah, let me tell everybody, those teeth look really real. No, I'm just joking. They're fake.
Nah, they're fake. You can see they're fake. You see a nice close up there.
But it's really cool being able to see Booger's camera. There it is right there. So, it's really cool being to meet him, I can't talk, but it's really nice being to meet Booger Boy Master, and I know a lot of other people would like to meet him, but I was lucky enough to meet him, so I'm really happy. It's nice meeting Play GTA 4 too, because he's the first person I met off YouTube. But y'all have a good day now, and we'll see you on YouTube. Got anything else you want to say? Well, make sure to visit my page. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe, and subscribe to Booger Boy Master if you haven't yet, because he has the best videos on YouTube. Yeah, y'all check out his page too. He got some good videos. Well, I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye. Bye.